Pinoy Extreme Channel at nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa ating programang Fun and Laugh with Ron. At ngayon naman, makikilala na natin ang ating huling queen, ang ating fantastic guest queen na sigurado sa kanyang buhay ay kayo'y mai-inspire. Kaya panoorin natin ito.
Sit back and relax dahil nandito ang theater actress at Mrs. Earth Ambassadors 2024 na si Catherine Rodrigo.
Please welcome ang theater actress, beauty queen at ang tinanghal na Mrs. Earth Ambassadress 2024 na si Ma'am si Catherine Rojas Rodrigo. Hello, Ma'am. Wow. Napakaganda. She's so divine. Welcome, Ma'am, sa show. Pleased to meet you, Ma'am. Thank you po.
Pleased to meet you, Ron.
Have a seat, ma'am, and welcome
Thank
po
you.
sa aming show. At syempre, bago ang lahat, bumati muna kayo sa ating mga manonood mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao or nasaan man sila around the world.
Hello and good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all the viewers of Fun and Laugh with Ron. Hello, Antipolo. Hello, Clark, Pampanga. Hello, Philippines. Hello, world.
Wow, she seems that she's ready for the international stage. Hello, ma'am, kamusta po kayo? Kamusta po ang pakiramdam na bumisita kayo as a queen dito sa Fun and Laugh?
I'm actually very honored to be here at your wonderful studio. You're all very warm and
Thank
friendly.
you.
Thank you so much for the invite.
You're welcome, ma'am. And eto nga po, ang dami na namin beauty queen na nakita. Talagang busog na busog po talaga ang aming mata kanina pa. Pero dito, ma'am, no, pag-usapan na natin ang iyong preparations as a beauty queen, 'di ba? So, I know nagre-ready ka na for the international pageant. Ano po ba ang mga preparations na ginagawa ninyo ngayon?
I actually already had the international competition
Wow. Oh.
back in 2023. My very first title was Mrs. Classic Global Asian in
Wow.
2023. But currently, 2 years after, my current title is Mrs. Earth Ambassadress.
So, this is your second time.
That's right. And
Wow.
to answer your question, when it comes to preparations, Ron, it's really very not easy because what to wear, that is always the problem. And of course, you have to prepare yourself mentally, physically, emotionally, and of course, skincare, diet.
Yeah, it's
and
important.
Financially, of course.
Oo, speaking of financial, no, mahal ba daw, ma'am, ang sumali sa mga international pageant? When you say financial?
Yes, absolutely. You have to be prepared, but you
Oo.
also have to know, kumbaga para-paraan din yan. Like, I'm very fortunate because I belong to a prestigious pageant organization, which is Larenas Filipinas, headed by my national director, Cristel Bulabon. And the organization is mainly the one who sent me to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, to
Wow.
compete internationally. And so I also have the support of the Antipolo government. And of course, very much from my family and from my friends when it comes to financial. Everybody chipped in.
Wow, nakakatuwa naman yun. Talagang lahat nagtulong-tulong, ma'am, ano? At
Yes.
talagang kailangan mo na lang is i-ready yung sarili mo, di ba?
That's
And get the
right, that's
crown.
right.
Pero bukod po ba, ma'am, sa pagiging beauty queen, ano pa po ba ang ating pinagkakaabalahan?
I am also a leisure cyclist. I have 2 mountain bikes that I love very much. I have to
Wow.
ride at least twice a week.
Wow.
I'm proud to say that I'm 55 years old, and really, it really matters that I ride my bikes and do my walks, because otherwise I'm going to deteriorate at this age. So that's one of the things that I love to do. I'm also taking piano lessons currently with my son. I'm also a theater actress, being on the stage since the age of 7 years old. And I was trained by my late, great National Artist nominee for theater. Her name is Nati Kramer Rogers. She's a 3-time National Artist nominee for theater. So I have performed in legitimate stages such as CCP, Film Life Theater, Metropolitan Theater. Also, we bring our plays to schools like Ateneo, St. Scholastica's College, and any open spaces that we can perform. And of course, most especially professionally, I am a BDM or a business development manager.
Wow, napakadami, grabe. Parang nakatulala na lang ako kay ma'am habang pinakikinggan ko siya. Pero given nun ma'am no, na parang ang dami mong ginagawa, talagang superwoman, di ba? As I said earlier. Ito ba ay, paano mo naman na isasama yung pagiging isang mabuting ina? Or pagiging momshi, sabi nga.
Thank you for that question, Ron. So, I have 2 children. One is, my daughter is 34 years old, and she's already working. And I have a 10-year-old son. You'll notice they're 24 years apart because I would like to say I am a complete woman because I experienced becoming a single mother with my 34-year-old daughter until she finished her schooling, until she's working. And then I got married about 13 years ago and decided to have our son, who is now 10 years old. So it's very important, first and foremost, to make sure that your children are nourished well. Because if not, they will not be able to think properly, and they will not, feel good if they are hungry. So it's also very important that we provide well for our children, food, clothing, and shelter, of course. We have to make sure that we always have money or we are employed to make sure that we are able to provide. For my children, I would like to say that I want to make sure that they are well-rounded persons. I do not just expose them to the academics. I make sure that they also have exposure to the arts, to sports, and socially as well.
Wow. Alam mo, pinakikinggan ko si ma'am, feeling ko nasa closed door interview na kami. At feeling ko may edge ka na kaagad dun sa crown, ma'am. Ano? Pero ito, ma'am, joining the pageant, ano yung pwede mong ma-share sa amin na naging struggle mo nung nagsisimula ka? Kasi alam natin hindi siya madali, ma'am. Di ba? Parang hindi agad-agad na parang makukuha mo yung corona. Ano yung mga naging struggles mo along the way?
Well, my biggest struggle and insecurity when I joined Mrs. Antipolo, of course, was my age. Because when I joined it, that was just not so long ago. I'm 55 now, so 3 years ago, Antipolo had its very first Mrs. Antipolo pageant right after the pandemic. And that's when I decided to join. And of course, most of the misses were even less than 35 years old. So that was my struggle. And I really do not have any training for passerella. And they are very good. They are very limber, very flexible, and very fast. So yeah, that was, and of course, financially, because I didn't think that it was going to go all the way.
All the way. Yeah.
I didn't think it was really going to be that grand, that I cannot just wear a gown that from wherever, but it has to be really within the theme of the pageant competition, and the preparations, really no sleep at all. So that's really very hard because we have to do a lot of activities, especially when it became international. We probably have 2 hours of sleep.
Wow.
Because we start very early with the activities.
Oo, kasi napakahaba ng preparations niyo no, para maging glam. Pero balikan natin yung moment, ma'am, nung coronation night. Naramdaman mo ba somehow na parang ibibigay to sa akin ulit?
I was hoping, of course, because I was there to win. But my opponents were also excellent. So I really couldn't tell. And I was happy enough that I got the Best in Interview award and one of the top placers for the national costume, which is, of course, the Philippines. I was a Muslim princess. That was my costume at that time. I really didn't expect that I was going to bag the classic crown.
Wow.
And I'm very grateful.
Speaking of the crown, ma'am, no, ano po ba yung mga advocacies mo as Mrs. Earth International?
My main advocacy is VAUSI, or Violence
VAUSI.
Against Women and Children. And Ron, this is not just physical abuse, but verbal abuse as well, because that will affect the morale of the child or the woman, and it can even lead to depression. I remember coming back from Malaysia, myself together with the leaders of where I work, which is Shore 360, we visited IMA Foundation in Pampanga. So they house those who have been abused domestically, women and children. And so we try our best
Domestically and
to...
verbally, okay.
Yes, we try our best to support their livelihood programs, and we spearhead solicitations for them, both in cash and in kind. Those things.
Napakaganda. Kaya naman siguro ito yung mga naging edge mo, ma'am. Kaya nakuha mo yung crown. Pero ito, ma'am, ay alam natin na sa pagkuha ng crown, aside sa support, ay hindi talaga mawawala na may bashing. Meron po ba kayong bashers na na-experience, and how did you handle that?
Yes. Well, of course, I'm just human, so I get hurt for a while, but I don't let that stop me. I tell about that bashing to those who are close to me, like my husband, and then he and my children would tell me, "Nah, it's okay. Don't take it personally.
Yeah.
Just ignore it, and stand up on my feet again."
Tama. At dahil doon nakuha ninyo yung corona.
Thank you.
Pero eto, mama, meron ba kayong tinatawag na signature walk? Na feeling mo na parang ito to, para sa akin tong signature walk na to?
I think so. Yeah, it's more of personal.
Personal, okay. At syempre, hindi naman pwedeng hindi natin makikita yung sample walk na yan. Pwede mo ba kami mamapaunlakan ng sample walk na yan?
Okay.
Okay. Music, please! Wow! Thank you so much, ma'am. Pero talaga namang nakaka-inspire ang ating fantastic guest na si Ma'am Shika. Pero eto na po ang inyong chance na magpasalamat, mag-shoutout sa inyong mga supporters as Mrs. Classical Global Asian 2023 at Mrs. Earth Ambassadress 2024. Meron po ba kayong mga gustong pasalamatan?
Absolutely, Ron. Thank you for the opportunity. Handang-handa tayo dyan.
Wow! Para namang mag-a-announce na si ma'am ng mga winners. Sige, ma'am, please go ahead.
Of course, first and foremost, I'd like to thank my family, my husband Manolet, my daughter Jay, Gab and Miguel, Francis and Ate Lydia. My extended family, my sisters Maricel, Andy and Alquiros and family, Aki and Ogie Cunanan and family, Chris and Evelyn Rojas, sisters-in-law Al, Vic and Dol. Of course, my Shore 360 family is the BPO where I work. They are physically located at Clark, Pampanga, and we are an excellent provider of staff leasing services to clients from Australia, USA, and Canada. Also to my MPC family and neighbors, Emma Yabut and family, Merly, Teacher Kent, Ao, Knowles, and Karen. Of course, my Lorena's family, Queen Cristel Bulabon, our National Director, Yam and Marlu Kondangan, Princess Len and Victor. Hello, hello, Queens! Of course, very special mention to Lolo Mike Diso. Lolo Mike, huwag ka na magpa-stress dyan, ha? Love you, Lolo Mike. Also, Paige Salonga of Blue Nights Bar. Come visit her bar at Santa Lucia. Jeff and Dal, Joey and Nini Abejo. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
You're welcome, ma'am, and well said. Feeling ko, di ba, parang nandito na si ma'am, nagbibigay na ng kanyang speech internationally. Maraming salamat sa ating fantastic guest na nagbigay ng nakaka-inspire na kwento dito sa ating programa. At maraming salamat din sa pamilya barkada at buong barangay na tumutok sa atin sa buong Pilipinas at nasaan man sila around the world. At syempre maraming salamat din sa Pinoy Extreme Channel, Imahe Multimedia Production, FL Dancers at sa ating fan barkada na si Hot Guapito Dex at ang ating komedyanteng Kikay Sugar at sa ating mga online viewers. At syempre, patuloy na samahan ng ating mga online verse host na si Queen Botcha at Axel Romeo sa ating Fun and Laugh online kulitan. Para sa mga gustong balikan na episodes, maaari niyong mapanood ito sa ating official YouTube channel na Fun and Laugh with Ron. At para naman sa ating mga latest ganap ay maaari ninyong i-follow ang ating mga official social media accounts na @Fun and Laugh Official sa Facebook, Instagram at TikTok. At magkita-kita muli tayo sa susunod na kwentuhan at kulitan. Ako ang inyong fantastic TV host, Ron. At ito ang inyong programang sigurado ang fun at sure na sure ang laugh. Ang Fun and Laugh with Ron!
Thank you, Mrs. Earth International. Follow our FB page.
Fun and laugh, masaya